Good evening, folks. It's Glenn the Ball Chef coming right back at you here. See, we got this shop shirt on, all about hustling, all about business. Well, I guess that's the YouTube game, right? So, at any rate, I'm going to take you back to Southeast Asia. I've done this fusion dish here, and it's got a mixture of fresh cod, some picky new peppers, some dried tofu, some squash, and a bunch more stuff that will go into this. It's an amazing recipe. It's healthy, and if it's healthy, it'll make you healthy and wise. So without any further ado, let's roll in and get in that kitchen and make some things happen. Well, I guess I got introduced to dry tofu. 3 hours soaking it. Saw it in Guangzhou, China, I believe, for the first time. Back in the early 90s. Always loved that stuff. I don't know. Now I got this Thai squash. It's called fuck. That's just what it's called. Not trying to offend anybody. Just giving it its correct name. And it's a lot like American squash. But we're going to put this into our fish curry. Yes, sirree. And now, garlic. Oh yeah, take that big knife. We'll cut up that garlic. Chop it up fine. And then, once we have that garlic all chopped up nice and fine, set that aside. We got our picky new peppers. These are, like I said, rat poop peppers, picky new peppers from Southeast Asia. I remember as a Colorado redneck, man, I thought black pepper was spicy until I went overseas. But I learned that if it ain't spicy, I really don't have any interest in it. So, you know, I use this in my regiment with almost everything I cook. I like it spicy. So we're trying to figure out how to smash up this garlic, or this ginger, excuse me. And we're going at it like a madman, as usual. Watch the old man chop up ginger. Very healthy for you. There's a lot of benefits to this root that has medicinal purposes that if you add to your regimen, it could make you a little healthier. So, final ingredient here in our aromatics or in our spice mix will be an onion that's going to be coming up here after I finish up with this ginger. There's the onion. Alright, we'll just slice that onion up, medium chop on this baby. And well, I don't know. It just brings out a little special flavor to the curry. I like to put that in there. As you see, I got that squash over there soaking in some alkaline water. Taking any pesticides that might be off there. I don't even know where that was grown, but probably in Thailand. Not the cleanest conditions over there. But at any rate, let's finish up with that. And here's the thing. Got the dried tofu, squash, got my cod back there, onions, garlic. And we're going to drain off the infamous dried tofu. 3 hours, you got to soak that. Fuck squash. Right out of Thailand. Oops, one little piece got away. That's alright. I'm not going to pick that up. Throw it in there. But there's a whole deal there. The chopped up cod, ginger out, and everything's ready to go into the fryer. So here's my wok, throwing in the garlic, picky peppers, ginger. Oh yeah, man, flavor coming off this is incredible. Absolutely incredible. This, if you could just be in my kitchen right now and smell what this is doing. We're going to caramelize the onions, get them translucent, infuse those picky new peppers, the ginger, the garlic, and oh yeah, this is really the base to this whole recipe. Use my favorite fish sauce, 3 crab. Always go with the 3 crab. Best stuff going. For sure. Absolutely. Now what am I going to do next? Throw in that dried tofu that I've been soaking for 3 hours. And that stuff, I'll tell you what, first time I had it, I fell in love with it. And there goes some Thai red curry. And we're going to take this thing and stir it around the block, get all those spices infused with the oil that I put in the pan originally. And now we're going to put our squash in there. And about a cup of coconut milk. Interesting. And I start to see all those flavorful colors coming out here. Man, this is going to be good. Throw that fresh cod, natural sourced. We're going to cook this down until it is, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. Don't want to overcook the cod, that's for sure. And there we go, folks. We're boiling this up. Stir it up one more time, and you can see now that the squash is cooked, the cod is cooked, life is good. And now we're going to plate this up, go to the tasting table, and see what this thing looks like. Get some white rice here. We get this lovely cod curry with the dried bean curd. And all this incredibly flavorful. Oh. Ginger laced, picky new peppers, onion, ginger. Oh my God, I don't know. This is going to be some magic here. Let's give this a bite. See if it's too spicy or what's going on here. Maybe I should have thrown in one more picky new pepper. For real. This is unbelievable. Healthy, absolutely. Very delicious. Give this recipe a try. It's a little on the odd side. Something I like to eat. And I certainly welcome you into my house. I need some love out there. I need some subscribers. Like this video. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up. If you don't like it, tell me what I did wrong. Maybe I can make it better. At any rate, as always, bon appetit.